Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about turmeric. I have here some turmeric roots. You see this vibrant color. I will show you in this video how to dry turmeric and make a turmeric powder from fresh turmeric roots at home. It's so easy and simple, and like that you know that your turmeric is 100% turmeric, is not mixed with anything. And as you know, turmeric is very rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory. It's very good for health. And you can find the fresh turmeric roots in the produce section of the supermarkets, like how you find the ginger roots. Also, you can find the dry turmeric roots in the spice stores. Also, you can use it. The fresh turmeric roots look almost like the fresh ginger roots. I will cut one and see how it's in the middle. See the color? Very vibrant, nice orange color, almost like carrots from the inside. We will chop this, but before that we dry them, we will wash them good before that we chop them. First step, we wash the turmeric roots very good with cold water. Be sure that there's any dirt or dust, anything. We'll wash all this before that you dry it. See how the color of the water starts changing. I will wash it more than once before that I chop it. Now, after I wash it good, I will put it on the food processor and I will chop it. It's like how you chop onions or any vegetable. Okay, I will chop right now. And turmeric roots is very soft. It will not take time to chop. It's very easy. You chop it very good like that. It will not take time to dry. If you leave the big pieces, it will take longer time to dry. That's it. It's chopped very fine and nice. It has a nice smell to it. Look. You see? When it's fresh, it's not hard. Look, and the vibrant color is very nice color. This ginger like that, you can use it also if you don't try it. You can use it with your smoothies. It's very rich in antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Very rich in color. You use only a little bit of it because it's very powerful, the taste. You cannot use a lot of this fresh turmeric, but I'll show you now how to dry it. I took a tray and I put a paper towel. You can use a kitchen towel too, a clean one. And I will put my ground or chopped turmeric here. The color is so nice, very rich and nice. And spread it. If you use your hands, it will be all turmeric color. If you want to use your hand, put some gloves, because that's the color stains the hands. And put it like that on top of this paper towel. If it's summertime, you put it outside on a shady area and cover it like that. You don't have the dust don't be on top of it. Then if like for winter time like now, you leave it inside in a warm area, and each day you stir it a little bit until it gets dry. That's it. It don't take a long time. Like, be sure to have it only like a one layer, like that it will dry fast. Or also, if you want warm up your oven, then turn it off and put the tray on the oven, warm oven. Don't leave it on. Do it like that, then leave it after this in a shady area until it gets dry, completely dry. And I'm showing you here after 1 day, 24 hours. Look to the color, and is getting dry, is almost dry. My turmeric almost dry. And here is after 2 days. After 2 days exactly, my turmeric was dry and is ready to use like that, or I can ground it to make a turmeric powder. It doesn't take time, only make it like one layer, but be sure to ground it or chop it very fine, like that it be easy to dry. If you leave a big piece, like I said earlier, it will take longer time and mine don't dry completely good. And be sure that your turmeric is completely dry and all the pieces are even, like that. When you when you store it, it will not go bad. It has to be completely 100% dry. That's very important. Like that, your turmeric powder stay with you for months and months, and nothing happen to it if it's completely dry. And now my turmeric is ready. That's the final step. I gather all of it in one dish, small dish like that, or a container, only to show you. You can store it like that, ground, or like chopped like that. And if you want it completely powder, you will ground it and make it powder. And that's the quantity of chopped or dried turmeric. It's 100% turmeric. There is no addition to it, no colorants, no nothing. It's 100%. And that's, you can use it for your cooking, your smoothies. Even you can use it for your skin. There's people that use it to make kind of masks with egg yolk. It's very good for the skin also. That's the 100% one. Here I will ground some of it. I'll show you how easy to do turmeric powder. It's not hard at all. And our turmeric powder, it's ready. Look to the nice color. The smell is good. It's not like the one that you buy in the stores. It's really, the smell is so fresh. It's so good, and the color is so vibrant. As you see here, it's very easy to dry to dry turmeric roots and make turmeric powder. And also, if you want leave it like chopped one, you can. It's very easy and simple to make. And today I shared with you how to dry turmeric roots and make turmeric powder, homemade, easy and simple. Let me know in the comments how did you like it, and if somebody try it, let me know how it came. And be sure 100% that the turmeric is dry completely before that you store it. Enjoy this video and enjoy cooking with this healthy 100% turmeric powder. Enjoy.